Hello everyone, welcome back. A new feature of iOS 17 is a contact poster. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to create the contact poster in your iPhone in iOS 17. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to make sure that we have a iOS 17 update in our iPhone. After that, we are not going to do in settings. We just simply launch the phone app and tap on contacts. Here we are going to select any contact that you want to create a poster or enable poster for that contact. Then tap on edit in top right corner, then tap on add photo. Now tap on camera if you want to take a photo directly, or go to the camera roll, then tap on the second one and select any photo that you want to for a contact poster. Now move and scale, crop on scale, then tap choose. After that you will see a lot of options in different colors that you can choose according to your choice. Then tap done. If you want to change the font size and the font style as well, then choose the fourth one. Here you can change the font style and text size as well. After creating or selecting the photo, we have to tap on done and done again in top right corner. That's it. This is the simple and easy way to create, enable the contact poster in iOS 17. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.